Hello everyone, so if you want to set up a dynamic island on your Poco X6 Pro, where to follow the steps. So first of all, open up your Play Store, open up your search bar right here at the bottom, now find your search bar at the top. Now you gotta enter dynamic island. Alright, here is your dynamic island. I recommend you use an application from JWoMo. So tap on it, press install. Now let's give it a couple seconds to be installed. That was pretty fast. Alright, now let's open an application. So as we open the applications, our first steps are gonna be to give all the necessary permissions. So press next. Now we are to give the permissions. So first of all, we need to select apps which can activate the pop-up. So you can choose each application individually, or you can press all. So if you want to choose them or deactivate them individually, simply tap on the switch near them. Works just like this. I will keep on all. Now go back. Now let's give our dynamic island and access to notifications. So tap here, select dynamic spot, confirm your choice by pressing on the switch. Now you have to wait 10 minutes and press that you're aware of the possible risks and assume all of possible consequences voluntarily. Press OK. Alright, now we need to give it permission to draw on the screen. So choose no restrictions. Let's do this again. Press next. Alright. So we need to do this. Let's try once again. Alright. So download apps. Choose your dynamic spot, confirm your choice by pressing use dynamic spot. Once again, you're to wait 10 seconds and to press OK. Alright, and now we've got all of the permissions, which is great. Let's press done. Now let's check how it looks. So if we tap at the top right corner, we'll see a preview. So press allow. And here how our dynamic spot works, just like this. So you can choose whether to tap on your notification switch or not. So whether get notifications with your dynamic spot or not. Here you can find a lot of different settings. So you can adjust the maximum number of text lines here in general, show landscape, change the color. You can choose auto hide small pop-up, and actually a lot of different applications which I recommend you going through them by yourself and deciding which of them is better for you. You can even choose the default color. For example, let's make it red. Now as you see, we're getting a red dynamic island, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye.